Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fun and Food Unlimited. Today we will show you an unboxing which is a Pureit Classic Germ Kit box. So here you can find three things: activated carbon trap, germ kill processor and polisher. These three things can be sold separately in this box. So here you can see you can filter up to 1250 liters of water at just 34 paisa per liter, which is so reasonable and so cheap than water we are having from outside. So let's get started. Here you can find the instruction how to install these three things in your filter. Yes, there are two languages there, Hindi and English. So whatever you like, you can read it and install it with this process. So here you can see three things in this box. This is the activated carbon trap which goes in the upper section of the filter Pureit. This is the second thing. This is germ kill processor, which is installed by chlorine tablets in it, so it will kill all the germs of the water. And this is the polisher. This will go underneath section of the filter. Yeah, this is called the polisher. It will go in the lower section of the Pureit. So these three things are sold by many e-commerce sites. You can find it online, or otherwise you can go to some mix shop or some electronic shop and you can buy it. It will take hardly 500 bucks to these three things. So thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Please share this video. If you like this video, please comment and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you very much, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.